everyone, welcome back again, one more video, and today I bring you a kit from Miniart and a tank, and this is the 135 scale. This is a Panzer III Ausf and with crew, so it brings some figures here to put on your tank. And the price I got here on my store is 39.99, so 40 euros. Okay, so this is one of the news from Miniart, and I'm going to open the box and show you. But before, you can see right there the price, and here on the sides, guys, you can see the set of the figures and some photographs of the finished tank. Okay, so let me open these and let's show you guys what we got on inside. Okay, so this is one of the kits I'm going to build, so I got this on my store to sell it on WarkitStore, and I'm going to show you guys what you can get with this kit. So I'm going to put away just a little instructions, the box, and let's open these. Careful. Sorry guys, so just using here one scissor. Open these. Alrighty then, here it is. So let's save this. Okay, and let's start first with one sprue, and yes, very good details. So to the box. We got here the tracks. It comes like this, so this is very easy to build. Okay, I know it gives you works, but if you want a good model, you got to have work. It's just simple as that. So this is the top, the upper hole. And so far I think we have nice things here on the part of the edge, and you can see the holes for putting the clear part. Now let's see one big sprue, and as you can see, very good. So these don't have any interior, but it's going to have interior of the turret. Okay, so this is the base of the turret, and it's going to have all the pieces from the gun, the benches like you can see here. So it's going to be the turret with interior. Okay, we got here one figure, and as you can see, nice details from Miniart. And we got here more 3 figures on this sprue. Now let's put this way, and one more. I think it's 5 ones. So these 3 equal sprues. Yes, you are going to cut very so much. We got here for the idler and for the sprocket wheels too. We got here some parts to some handles. Okay, so 2 of each one of these. We got here a much smallest one, Now let me put more of these, so many little screws. And so far, whoops, we got one more of this, so it's 4. And as you can see, so many more wheels. And this is a tank. It is very small, and you can see so many parts. Okay, so let me save this here. So yes, it's going to give me lots of work. More for the wheels, and look at this, very nice details. The little ones and the little ones, they are fantastic, guys. They are super awesome. So to equal spruce like this and more. As you can see, all the system. And yes, as you can see, lots of work. Now we got here parts of the lower hull here. Okay, you can see on the lower hull all the edges. Okay, some escape, I think. More edges from the top. You got the side here of the tank, and rear parts, front, and the side skirts to here. And you can see the edges there on the lower hull. These edge vents, we got here the mufflers, and it's all clean, and I don't see anything. So just cut and build. Very nice. So let's put this again on the box. Careful. We got here so many pieces. So I'm going to have to put this nice, because they are so spruce. Careful. Okay, good. So we got here all the screws. Okay. Now let's show. Sorry, the decals, and we got inside. Let me try to open these. I'll show you guys. Clear parts, and they seem nice and clear. And we got here the decals. Normal decals from him. They are really nice. More things we got here. So I think this is the photo edge part. And yes, nice. Very nice. Let's put this. Real good. Okay, now they put these parts on this, so it's very good for us. With this card, it came straight, so it's nice. So let's see now the instructions. Okay, so we got here all we are going to need to build our figures. We got here colors from Vallejo, Mr. Color Life, Temia, Tester, so okay, lots of ones. So you got here, we got here all the spruce came on the box, so you can see when you open to see if nothing is missing. Okay, now let's see, and more, you can see lots of things. So here it begins, and we see we start on the lower hull, start with suspensions, the wheels. Okay, more. Oh my god, this suspension is a nightmare. so many steps to go all this down. Then we start on the rear of the tank. Okay, and start building the top of the hopper hull. Here you can see side skirts, the tools, okay, all this stuff, putting the wheels, okay, and you see how to build here the tracks, okay. So start seeing this part here, it's very important. You can see the turret, so this is the inside of the turret, and then we go to the turret 2. You can see here the machine guns, they are really nice, guys. Okay, and yes, this is so many steps, 48, 49, 40, yeah, 49 steps to do this. And the schematics, now we got here the schematics. Let's approach a little, just a little. And as you can see, we got this one and this one, and we got here 3 more we can build of this tank. Okay, so Miniart. So this is one of the new, and of course I'm going to start showing all these new tanks from Miniart. Miniart are making so good tanks at the moment. So this one don't have the full interior, so it's just in normal interior with on the turret, but inside we got nothing there, okay. But otherwise, the what I see on the pieces, you are going to have a very good tank. Okay, so my friends, thank you very much for watching, and if you want to buy here on the store, just say something to me, or I can send you by posts. Okay, so bye, and I catch you up on the next video. Bye guys.